Hello, SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to be making a quick and easy pumpkin pie. If you want to see how I make this recipe, guys, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is get my pie crust. Now, I'm using the ready-made ones. That's why it's quick and easy. Okay, I'm not making it from scratch. They were frozen, and now I'm just going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. So first thing I'm going to do is take a fork, and I'm just going to like this, right around. So this is so it doesn't, it stays flat, okay? And I'm making 2 of them, so I think that should be good enough. I'm baking it at 400, so I'm just following the package instructions, and then while it's in the oven, I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. Okay guys, this is everything I'm going to need to make my pie, and like I said, it's very simple, very quick, very easy. So I have my eggs here, and that's the first thing I'm going to start with. I'm going to beat them up, and I think that should be good. And now I have 1 can of pumpkin, and this is pure pumpkin. Okay, it's not the pie filling, so you just want to stick with pumpkin. 1 can of pumpkin. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of Dulce de Leche, and this is my recipe, so I'm using this. You could use milk, cream, condensed milk, whatever you like, but I'm using this one. And because I'm using that, I'm not adding any sugar, because it's going to be sweet enough, right? All right, so we're going to put that in there. We're going to put the eggs in, and I'm using 4 eggs because I'm making 2 pies. And then I'm adding all my spices. So I have nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and a little bit of allspice because I didn't have any ground cloves. Okay, so that's going in there, and the exact measurements for this recipe will be in the description box. Vanilla, guys, vanilla. And to that, oh, I'm gonna take it up a notch. You know me, my little rum, Caribbean style. Okay, so it's dark rum, guys, dark rum. Right. I just blended that until now it's nice and creamy, smooth, and my pie shells are ready. So I'm just going to let them cool for a bit, and then I'll fill them. So now what I'm going to do is just fill it up. I'm going to put them here. So I'm just going to give them a little shake, make sure they settle very well. And my oven is already preheated to at 400. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it bake. I think this should take about 40 minutes. So I'm going to come back after 40 minutes and I'll check it. So guys, this is our pie. It is the next morning. I didn't cut it last night. I wanted it to settle for a bit. So it's been in the fridge overnight. And I did get crap here. And I'll tell you, I should have put a water bath in the oven, which I didn't. If you want to make this, you know, and anytime you're baking cakes that tend to crack, always use a water bath, okay? So I'm going to try this pie. This is so good. Just the right amount of sweet, and you can taste all those spices in there. It's really good, guys. So if you want to give it a try, it's something quick and easy for Thanksgiving. I think you'll like it. And here you have it, guys, our delicious, quick and easy pumpkin pie recipe. Until next time, have yourselves a great day and God bless.